Hello and welcome to Nix Trains. So today I have this another card building from christmasvillagedisplays.com. This is a Santa's gift corner and it's just one page printout, and it's just like the whole building is just one piece, and it can be just folded together, cut and folded together, and it's complete with the Santa Claus in this window. I found this building to be rather attractive, and that's why I thought of bringing it on my layout. Although I should have done this in December, that's okay. Now I'm going to glue this onto cut and glue this onto the card. Okay, so this is the cutting done. So this is the entire building in one piece. Now obviously next thing I'm going to do is glue this onto the card. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is cut this out. Okay, now I've cut out the whole card setup, and now it's just a matter of folding this and gluing into place. I'm additionally going to cut some of these sections to make the building more lively and add in more textures and features to the building. Gluing the walls together. And holding it till it sets. Okay, next thing I'm going to do while the glue dries is I'm going to run the sketch pen of the relevant colors wherever necessary. This roof line here seems to be needs a bit of tidying up. So I'll be running this wherever necessary to the corners to cover up these kind of imperfections. Okay, now I'm going to print this building once again and add these roof detailings here. So I'm going to put a small small piece of cardboard and tuck it there and add the roof template to it. And I'm going to do the same thing here for this back side of the house. And it seems that the way this building is structured, and it's not necessary to cut this side of the building. It's not going to protrude because this side is straight, it's not slanted, so it's not necessary. So I'm going to do just the front and back to make this building more lively and interesting. In the next episode, I'm going to make locomotive cradle come inspection pit. I don't know whether anyone has done this before, but definitely I'm going to try this for the first time and share it with you guys and girls. Do stay tuned to Nix Trains. Thank you for watching Nix Trains. Please share with people who might like, appreciate and enjoy trains. Comment and subscribe.